little creature over there? What?
That's not an air balloon.
Ooh, hot air balloon.
I can make bunny ears too.
Jeez, you're just gonna choke you out.
I know. I'm so
You get choked out. Little jiu-jitsu girl. Who's tapping, baby girl? You gotta let go. Oh, she got him. He's asleep. Good job, little girl. You put him to sleep. Oh, now she's doing the massage.
Oh, it feels so good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
No, right there, Jimmy. Ow.
Oh. Oh, massages. Oh. Oh, it's a good massage. Are you getting them?
Catherine tripped and
You
her
gonna tickle
butt
him?
landed right on my back.
Oh, butt smash. That's a butt booty smash. Woo!
Dude, I ate one before. I went.
There we go.
18. Yeah, it's gross, huh? I'm gonna eat one. Yeah.
Bubbles, bubbles. That was one on the ground. That was one on the ground. You can close your eye.
That's how I can only do it.
Hey.
What?
Go. Shoot it.
I'll shoot the camera.
Would you just go?
Okay. Oh! I shot down the helicopter.
This is the wrong eye.
Look how much.
This is the wrong eye. You gotta close your other eyeball.
I'll blink when I shot it.
Gotta close your other eye.
Okay, Catherine, you need to get off. Can you get off? I thought you that eye. Shoot with your Whoa, dude, it like shot through the box.
What are you guys shooting?
It shot through the box.
Stop shooting the walls.
Shot through
Oh, you got the can. Yeah. We're going down. We're going down. Oh no, we're gonna crash it. No. I don't know what kind of spider that is. Feels like a crazy thing on his belly.
I think it's a T-Rex.
A T-Rex?
Yeah, it's a T-Rex spider.
Yeah, dude, that guy's huge. Check him out.
Come on, kids. Yeah.
Mr. Spider! Should I eat him? What do you think? No. Sorry, not gonna do it. Not happening.
No. I'm trying to. Put your hand on the trigger. Okay, now. Shoot. Okay, now.
Oh, ricochet.
She shot the wall, I think. Oh, no, you shot the tree.
A little sniper dude.
I am on my